Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your area, Lakshmi Nagar? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end, as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your area, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Locus Classes. This institute is recorded as one of the best institutes for training the students for their SSC coaching. The main motive of this institute is to make the students secure the best grades in the examinations. Locus Classes is one of the best coachings for SSC exam preparations. Furthermore, they have a group of highly capable teachers who guide and help the students in achieving their desired goal. This is the best institute that makes you the best student and helps you to secure the best grades in your examinations. Okay friends, now let us discuss the contact details. So the address of Locus Classes in Lakshmi Nagar includes D223 Main Road near Lakshmi Nagar Metro Gate number 5, New Delhi, Delhi 110092. The contact number is 09250499484. Okay, now let us talk about the batch size. So the batch size of the institute includes 20 students in a batch and the Google rating includes 4.7 out of 5 stars. At rank 4, we have Career Power Coaching in Lakshmi Nagar. Career Power stands among top coaching centers for the SSC examination in East Delhi. They have more branches and also proper guidance from professional and experienced faculty is provided to the students. Moreover, study material is given to all the students which is of great information. The fee structure for the course is also optimal. This institute is one of the best institutes to train the students for their SSC examination. In addition to this, the institute helps in making the students secure the best grades in their examination, and also they have best staff members who help you in making the doubts clear of each and every student, and the institute is considered therefore the best. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. So the address of Career Power SSC coaching in Lakshmi Nagar is A18 Guru Nanak Pura Lakshmi Nagar near Nirman Vihar Metro Station Block A, Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi 110092. The contact number is 08750505082. Friends, now let us discuss the batch size and the students review. So the batch size of the institute is 20 students in a batch and the students ratings, which is Google reviews, includes 4 stars out of 5. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Brilliant Academy SSC Coaching in Lakshmi Nagar. Brilliant Academy has maintained its name in top coaching center for SSC exam in East Delhi. Students are under the supervision of experienced faculties. Further, they follow exam-oriented patterns. Various tricks and shortcuts are also given to the students. It ensures that students are engaged in a regular practice. Moreover, unlimited doubt sessions are conducted on a regular basis. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. So the address of Brilliant Academy includes Gate number 3 Metro Station U112 second floor, Shakharpur Street number 3 near Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092. The contact number is 0921 2096139. Okay friends, now let us talk about the batch size and the Google reviews. So the batch size of the institute is 35 students in a batch, and the Google reviews includes 4.3 out of 5 stars, which was of 232 students. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your area, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.